Hello. Merhaba. This video will be about the catch-up rule, which is ünsüz yumuşaması or sessiz yumuşaması in Turkish. But before that, let's remember. Vowel, ünlü or sesli. Consonant, ünsüz or sessiz. So, what is the catch-up rule or ünsüz yumuşaması? Let's look at the consonants in the word ketchup. When we remove the vowels in the word ketchup, we have K, T, Ç, and P. As you know, there are a lot of words which end with K, T, Ç, and P. When the words which end with K, T, Ç, and P take a suffix which start with a vowel, K changes to G or yumuşak G, T changes to D, Ç changes to C, and P changes to B. Let's take some words which end with K, T, Ç, and P. Kitap, kitap. Ağaç, ağaç. Kağıt, kağıt. Çocuk, çocuk. When these words take a suffix which begins with a vowel, let's see what transformation they have. Kağıt, kağıdı, kağıda. Çocuk, çocuğu, çocuğa. Ağaç, ağacı, ağaca. Kitap, kitabı, kitaba. Let's see them in real life sentences. Şu çocuğu tanıyor musun? Do you know that child? Can you please give me the book? Kitabı bana verir misin lütfen? Bu ağacı dedem dikmiş. My grandfather planted this tree. Kağıdı yerden kaldır lütfen. Pick up the paper on the floor, please. That's all for the catch-up rule or ünsüz yumuşaması. I hope it's easy for you to understand. If there is something unclear, you can let us know in the comments part. Thanks for watching our video. See you in the upcoming videos. Goodbye. Hoşça kalın.